Okay, let's see if we can make our window do a little bit more than it's doing at the moment. So what we're going to do, the first thing we're going to do, we do need to make a couple of little adjustments. So we need to navigate to our project folder, and in here we need to, in our vendors folder, which would be where your solution is, in the vendors folder, we need to move this lib file into GLFW. So that now resides inside the GLFW folder. Then we need to go to our project, right click that, properties, and we need to just make a little alteration in linker general. We need to add in here GLFW, just so as we're pointing to that lib file in where because we've moved it. The next thing we need to do, we need to go up one here and up again. In my thing, I've downloaded Glad, so we want these 3 files, so we'll copy them, no, not cut them, copy them. We'll go up again, and into my project, into vendors, and we'll paste that in here, and we will create a new folder, Glad, and then we're going to drop that one. Actually, you could have, a smarter way of doing it would have probably been to have created the folder first, but nobody's ever accused me of being smart, so that's all right. So there we go. So theoretically now we should be able to come up here. Glad needs to go above GLFW. I have no idea why, but it does. There's a thing about it. Include Glad, and we should get that, should go right, because we've already set the path to this vendors folder. If we refresh that on there, you'll see we've now got Glad in there in the vendors, so we don't need to tell it that it's there. What we do need to do is come in here, grab this Glad C and drag that where our main file is. So that needs to go into src, and then we need to include that in the project. So it's right click on the file itself, down to include in project. Okay, now what can we do with that? I don't know why we've got Glad open on there. What can we do with that? We can come into here now, and below GLF make context current, we can simply add a couple of lines of code. It would appear that it's pretty much done it there for me, so that'll do that, and then we can do and I'm glad it does it, because I am so slow at typing, it's unbelievable. Oh no, don't do that. So basically what this is going to do, this is going to set up a, it's going to load Glad in. The idea of this gives us the opportunity now to being able to use OpenGL commands and stuff. So we can now do something like GL clear color. So if we go down to, oh look, it's filled it in for me already, isn't it kind? Now theoretically this clear color, this should set the background, as long as I haven't forgotten anything or done anything stupid, this should set the background color of our window to a dark teal color. So let's let it do its thing and see what we get. There we go. We've now initialized OpenGL in this GLFW window. We can now start to do a few more interesting things. I think the next thing we'll see if we can do, because it's quite interesting and there's a few other bits that go with that, then I think we'll see if we can open a triangle in this window, a multicolored triangle or just a, no, we'll see if we can do a multicolored triangle or something. Anyhow, that's it for today. Thanks for watching if you did.